Two legendary V8 engines. Two automotive giants. One rivalry that changed American muscle car history forever. Even after more than 50 years, one question still divides car enthusiasts around the world. Who really built the better engine? Chevrolet's mighty 396 Big Block or Ford's legendary 390 FE? This wasn't just another comparison. It was a battle that played out on drag strips, back roads, highways, and even at local gas stations. Friendships were built around this debate. Rivalries were born because of it. And for decades, nobody could agree on a single winner. To understand why, we have to travel back to the late 1960s. America's horsepower war had officially exploded. Every major manufacturer wanted one thing: build the fastest, loudest, and most unforgettable muscle car in the country. Chevrolet answered with something extraordinary: the 396 Big Block. This wasn't simply a larger V8. It was engineered to dominate. Massive cylinders, huge airflow, incredible torque, and enough horsepower to scare almost anyone sitting behind the steering wheel. Depending on the version, the 396 produced well over 350 horsepower, while the highest performance versions pushed even further. It quickly found its way into legends like the Chevelle SS, Camaro SS, Nova SS, and several other Chevrolet icons. The moment drivers buried the accelerator, the front of the car lifted, the rear tires searched desperately for grip, and the deep thunder of the Big Block became impossible to ignore. But Ford wasn't watching from the sidelines. They already had a weapon of their own, the legendary 390 FE. While Chevrolet chased massive horsepower numbers, Ford engineers focused on something equally important: real-world torque, the kind of power you could feel instantly without revving the engine to the limit. Whether installed in Mustangs, Torinos, Fairlanes, Galaxies, the 390 FE earned a reputation that mechanics respected: strong, reliable, built to last. Owners loved how easily it delivered power. It wasn't trying to impress people with numbers. It simply got the job done every single day. Soon, magazines across America started comparing these two engines. Weekend drag races became battlefields. Chevrolet fans proudly defended the 396. Ford loyalists stood behind the proven 390 FE. Every race created another argument. Every victory created another debate. Some believed horsepower meant everything. Others insisted torque won real races. But the truth was much more complicated than anyone expected. Because once these two engines left the showroom and met each other on real American roads, the results surprised almost everyone. So, after all these years, who actually won? On paper, Chevrolet's 396 Big Block looked almost unstoppable. More horsepower, more aggressive acceleration, faster quarter-mile times, and a reputation for turning ordinary drivers into lifelong Chevrolet fans. But numbers printed in a magazine don't always tell the whole story. Because once these engines left the showroom, everything changed. On real American streets, the Ford 390 FE fought back. Unlike the high-revving 396, the 390 delivered its power much earlier. The moment the traffic light turned green, the Ford launched with incredible confidence. Smooth, strong, and incredibly consistent. Owners loved that instant pull. They didn't need to push the engine to its limit. The torque was already there, waiting, ready to move thousands of pounds of American steel with ease. That made the 390 FE one of the most respected street engines of its era. Then came reliability, and this is where the debate became even more interesting. Thousands of mechanics praised the 390 FE for its durability. Many engines crossed well over 100,000 miles with proper maintenance. It powered family sedans, police vehicles, pickup trucks, legendary muscle cars. Chevrolet's 396 was just as legendary. But it demanded respect. Bigger horsepower meant bigger stress. More heat, more fuel. And drivers who loved full-throttle acceleration often found themselves visiting the garage more frequently. Yet, nobody could deny one simple fact. When the 396 came alive, it was absolutely breathtaking. The sound, the vibration, the brutal acceleration. It became one of the greatest big blocks America had ever produced. Then came modifications, and this is where Chevrolet gained another advantage. The aftermarket exploded. Bigger carburetors, performance camshafts, high-flow intake manifolds, aluminum cylinder heads. Racers discovered that the 396 responded incredibly well to upgrades. With the right combination, it became an absolute monster on the drag strip. Meanwhile, Ford owners focused on something different: dependability, long-distance cruising, strong low-end power. The 390 FE earned a reputation for being the engine that simply refused to quit. Even today, decades later, original 390-powered cars are still running across America. That's a remarkable achievement for any classic engine. So, which one deserves the crown? If your dream is maximum horsepower, brutal acceleration, and unforgettable big block sound, the Chevrolet 396 is incredibly difficult to beat. But if your priority is dependable torque, long-term reliability, and effortless street performance, the Ford 390 FE remains one of the finest V8 engines ever built. The truth is, this rivalry was never really about finding one perfect winner. Because without Chevrolet, Ford wouldn't have pushed harder. And without Ford, Chevrolet wouldn't have built something even better. Together, they created one of the greatest horsepower wars in automotive history. More than 50 years later, car enthusiasts still argue, still compare, and still smile every time they hear one of these legendary V8s come to life. Now it's your turn. If both cars were parked in your garage, and you could keep only one, which engine would you choose? The Chevrolet 396 Big Block or the Ford 390 FE? Tell us in the comments below. And if you love classic American muscle cars, forgotten legends, and legendary engine battles, subscribe now, because the next rivalry might be even bigger than this one.